Hi, I'm Brad Thornton from Avery Property Professionals and welcome to 20 Prince Street, Waratah. Originally built in the early 1920s, when the current owner purchased this home in 2009, it looked like this. But with a passion for period homes and 3 years of renovations, it has been brought back to life to showcase the character that makes these homes so alluring. Come along inside to see the final result. Offering 4 big bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, the layout could accommodate a larger family, retaining the decorative fireplaces and polished timber floors. The new kitchen with deep twin sink and stone bench tops ties in with the traditional aspects. And a bonus is the attic storage, spending a large part of the ceiling space. Overlooking the private level yard, you can entertain your friends with wine and an afternoon barbecue from the covered decking. One of the big highlights of this home is the 16.5 metre frontage that allows for 2 driveways. The main driveway takes you to a double garage with additional storage, whilst the second driveway could suit parking for another vehicle or trailer. The level block means there are no more than 2 steps to enter any part of the home, making it ideal for those seeking single level living, and the 569 square metres of land with small lawn makes it super easy to care for. Only a 3-minute drive to Waratah village shops. Within the 1 kilometre block of this home are no less than 4 schools and the Mater Hospital, and within 10 minutes is the University of Newcastle and the John Hunter Hospital. 20 Prince Street will suit younger and older buyers alike and showcases why Waratah has become so popular in recent times.